Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare uBlock Origin and uBlock Origin Lite. uBlock Origin is a powerful open-source ad blocking extension that works across major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Opera. It offers wide filter list support, custom rules, dynamic filtering, element blocking, and strong tracker or ad blocking. These make it ideal for users who want full control over what's blocked in their browser. Chrome Web Store users praise uBlock Origin for effective blocking ads and trackers without slowing the browser. Its temporary remove was due to Google ending support for older extension code, not because of its performance, and it's still considered a reliable ad blocker. On the other hand, uBlock Origin Lite is a simplified version designed mainly for Chromium-based browsers under Google's Manifest v3 restrictions. It keeps essential ad blocking features while removing advanced controls to reduce resources usage. It is lightweight and easy to use, making it suitable for casual users, but it lacks the deep customization and advanced filtering of the full uBlock Origin. Chrome Web Store users say uBlock Origin Lite effectively blocks ads as intended. Many praise it for stopping annoying redirects and web ads, calling it a simple and reliable extension. Trustpilot users generally find uBlock Origin effective for everyday use. Many say it blocks most ads as expected. Though some report occasional issues with sites like YouTube or specific content being blocked, overall, users appreciate the extension and value the developer's efforts. Now let's take a closer look at the pros and cons and users' feedback for both. uBlock Origin offers powerful ad and tracker blocking, is highly customizable and open source. On the downside, it requires some setup and users may lose support on Chrome due to extensions changes. Review shows users love the control and power it provides, though some find it complex or resource heavy. uBlock Origin Lite is lightweight, easy to use, and compatible with the new Chrome standards. Its limitations include fewer features, less control, and occasional ads slipping through. Users appreciate its simplicity and speed, but advanced users may miss the full functionality of the original uBlock Origin. Overall, uBlock Origin is best for those who want full control and advanced features, while uBlock Origin Lite is suitable for users who prefer simplicity and lower resource usage. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.